Introduction. International Business Machines Corporation. IBM is an American multinational technology corporation headquartered in Armonk, New York, with operations in over 175 countries. Basically, IBM produces and sells computer hardware, middleware, and software and provides hosting and consulting services in various areas. History. IBM originated from bringing together of several companies that work to automate routine business transactions, including the first company to build punch card data punch card data based tabulating machines and to build time clocks. In 1911, these companies were merged into Computing Tabulating Recording Company (CTR). Thomas J. Watson joined the company in 1914 as general manager and became its president in 1915. In 1924, the company changed its name to International Business Machines and it expanded into various fields. The motto of Thomson was to think. IBM's first experiment with computers in the 1940s was on the card-based system. After some series of reorganization, IBM remains one of the world's largest computer companies and system integrators with around 4 lakh employees worldwide. As of 2014, IBM holds more patents than any other US-based technology company and has 12 research laboratories worldwide. IBM has earned various awards such as Nobel Prize, Turing Awards, medals in technology and science. These are some of the top services provided by IBM. The first one is the IBM Kyndryl, which manages the infrastructure service unit of IBM's global technology service. Then there is IBM Watson, which is AI for business, which helps organizations predict future outcomes, automate complex processes and optimize employee times. Then there is IBM WebSphere, which refers to a brand of proprietary computer software in the enterprise market. Then there is blockchain, which is the IBM's blockchain division, which provides enterprise blockchain services, which are used in contrast to business blockchains such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Then there is IBM Cloud, which is a set of cloud computing services for businesses offered by information technology company, which includes infrastructure as a service, software as a service, platform as a service through various offerings. Then there is hybrid cloud, which is an IT infrastructure that connects at least one public cloud and at least one private cloud and provides various services. The IBM Security develops intelligent enterprise security solutions and services. Watson, then there is IBM AI Open, which is Watson is question answering system capable of answering questions based in natural language developed in IBM's Deep QA project by a research team. Then there is IBM products. We will discuss some technical details about them. IBM Watson is the most well-known artificial intelligence in use today. It is AI for business. Watson helps organizations predict future outcomes, automate complex processes, and optimize employee times. Watson was named after the IBM's founder and first CEO, Thomas J. Watson. It was developed to answer questions on the quiz show Jeopardy, and it won against the champions and won a prize of $1 million. It has applications in healthcare, finance, legal, retail, fantasy, football, etc. The IBM Watson uses IBM's Deep QA software and Apache UMA framework. The system is workload optimized, integrating massively parallel powers and processes, and is built on IBM Deep QA technology, which is used to generate hypotheses, gather massive evidence, and analyze data. The sources of information for Watson include encyclopedias, dictionaries, thesauri, newswire articles, and itinerary work. The second top product is IBM Cloud, which is a set of cloud computing services for business offered by the information technology company IBM. It combines platform as a service with infrastructure as a service. The platform scales and supports both small development teams and organizations. IBM's main competitor in the cloud are Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. The IBM Cloud has over 190 services, the sum of which are compute, containers, AI, storage, databases, network, and security. And the most of the trending product that IBM uses is blockchain. It is a shared and immutable ledger for recording transactions, tracking assets, and building trust. It is based on the open source Hyperledger Fabric version 1.0 of the Linux Foundation. It is a public cloud service that customers can use to build secure business networks. It uses distributed ledgers that are stored in the multiple places, allowing for greater transparency into transaction and happening across the system. The key elements of blockchain are distributed ledger technology, immutable records, smart contracts, and the location analysis of employees. On the left side, you can see the number of employees year-wise in the IBM. As you know, IBM operates in over 175 countries and has around 3 lakhs 66,600 global employees. In India, IBM Indian Private Limited is the Indian subsidiary of IBM. It has facilities in Ahmedabad, Bengaluru, Bhubaneswar, Chennai, Coimbatore, Delhi, Gurgaon, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai, Noida, Pune, Kochi, Visakhapatnam. By most estimate, it has close to a third of its 4 lakh 30,000 employees in India, which is approximately 1 lakh 40,000 employees in India, which is likely has more employees than that in the US.
Hello. Now the topic is turnover analysis. In 2011, IBM generated $107 billion as a revenue. By the year of 2017, the revenue of the IBM is $79 billion. As the company painstakingly worked to transfer itself, investing in artificial intelligence and cloud computing, as a result, its revenue declined on year basis for 22 consecutive quarters. Now, the revenue for this year, IBM generated $36.5 billion, is increases 2% from the previous year. As you can see that in 2011, the revenue of the IBM is $167 billion. This is a result after 2011. IBM focused on the AI and cloud computing, so didn't focus on the hardware products. The revenue of the hardware product decreases day by quarter and quarter. As you can see that 900 to almost it is 21. This is a graph of the IBM revenue versus net income. As you can see that the revenue of the IBM increases day by day, but the profit of the IBM it increases short margin. That's one point that the revenue of the IBM is decreases, but the profit of the IBM is increases. This is a year-wise sale analysis. You can see that the in America, Europe, Middle East, and Africa and Asia Pacific country, the sale of the IBM decreases year on year. 2011, the sales of the IBM is $44.94 billion, but now in 2021 the sale is 34.11. Same for the other countries, 25 to 1586 and 33 to CSR, means corporate social responsibility. IMPA believes that the company culture based on the core value not only helps our business but also defines the role that we can should play in the society. IBM also believes that objective of the in CSR responsibility. IBM believes that company culture based on core value not only helps our business but also defines the role that we can should play in the society. Identify and act upon a new opportunity to apply the technology and expertise to social problems. These are some photo of the live event of the IBM. IBM mainly focus on the education, skill development, public healthcare, social service, environment, disaster resilience, literacy, language, and culture. In employees, CSR responsibility are skill training, health program, supporting employee contribute IBM for the environment. These are the photos. Excellent. Here are some highlighted point of the IBM. IBM Collaboration Government launched 2 years advanced diploma on IT in AI and cloud computing technology. IBM also partnered with Clinton Health Access Initiative (CHAI) to bring positive change toward cancer care outcomes in India. IBM has been forefront working with local agencies to mitigate the impact of flood situation that affect the state to Assam, West Bengal and Bihar. IBM grant to Child in Need Institute was used to train 40 youth from the vulnerable communities in Kolkata with computer and software. There is collaboration with Niti Aayog and developed InnoNet platform in order to establish sustainable support of the ecosystem with the ATLS and the student. There are the highlighted points of the IBM in CSR responsibility. IBM has mission and vision. IBM mission statement is to lead in the creation, development, and manufacture of the industry most advanced information technology, including computer systems, software, networking system, storage device, and microelectronics. Company has also vision statement that to be the world most successful and important information technology company, successful in helping our customer apply technology to solve their successful in introducing this extraordinary technology to new customer. Next slide. There are achievement in of IBM in world. It is the first change. It also get Fortune Award for the first change the world. It also get award from the Forbes World Most Valuable Brand. It also get Best Global Brand from Interbrand. It is a 100 best corporate company in CR magazine. It has gold level CSR rating according to Citizen EcoVadis. Top 10 companies from the Global Diversity Fund. Associate Talent Development 2015 in practice. SWORD. It is a good company for women also. Environmental achievement. In 2016, Climate Leadership Award got by the IBM. IBM received a 2016 Climate Leadership Award from the US Environmental Protection Agency, the Center for Climate and Energy Solution, and the Climate Register. It also get a Meriki Star Award in 2016 and also get Outstanding Energy Award in IBM Philips received an Outstanding Energy Award from the Philippine Department of Energy in 2015, Don Emiliote Embolo Energy Efficiency Award from Energy Saving and Carbon Dioxide Emission Awareness. Thank you.